Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing and be swatching and be applying the new Nubian Royal collection set. This is their holiday set by Juvias Place. The Nubian Royal Holiday Collection set by Juvias Place. That's what we are going to be unboxing and trying it today. Swatches and application, that's what I meant for you guys to see how this is amazing. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. This is so beautiful. I love the packaging. All right, Juvias Place never fails when it comes to packaging. They never fail. The packaging is beautiful. You can just slide it out. When you slide it out, you see all the amazing good stuff that we have in there. And guys, that is what I have on my face right now, because this is not a makeup tutorial. I didn't want to waste a lot of time applying this on the camera, so I decided to do it off the camera. If anybody want to see the how I achieved this, I can always shoot the video for you. I don't mind, even if it's just one person that requested. I don't mind shooting it. You all know I love glitter. So this package came with just one glitter, all right? This particular collection, we have 6 in it inside of it. Inside the 6, we have inside the packaging, we have 6 eyeshadow in the palette, and we have 2 lipsticks, all right? This is the Nubian Royal Palette, a versatile palette which consists of 6 hand-picked purple colors to make you look like royalty. Consists of 1 popular duochrome eyeshadow, 1 pearl metallic eyeshadow, 3 pressed matte texture pigments, and 1 glitter for that pop. Yes, and that glitter is what I have in the inner corner of my eye right now. That's the reason why I said I don't really want to waste time, because it's not a makeup tutorial. That's why I did it off the camera, but you all can see that is what I pop right there. You all know I love glitter, so I couldn't do my face without popping in that glitter, just like the way they put it, like to pop it out. All right, so and I went ahead and I used the purple one under at the outer corner of my eye, and you all will see the pigmentation when I swatch, and you all can see it here. This is with primer, all right, and the ones at the back of my hands are without primer. So I'll go ahead and talk about the lip balm, which has 2 flavors. In this box I have the one that is called caramel, and I have berries. All right, so I'm gonna be trying those on my lips. That's why my lips is bare there right now. Like, I just applied my lip conditioner as usual, and that's what you guys are seeing at the moment. The Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm, a lightweight, hydrating, and ultra softening lip balm that offers a sheer color enhancing tint that brings out the lusciousness of the lip. Formulated with a combination of soft butter such as shea butter to provide hydration, infused with a nourishing blend of maketi, I don't know what that means, maketi, baobab, and jojoba, okay, create a hydration complex that smooth and soften lips. All right, they won't have ahead and put caution for adult use only. So this is not a play toy, this is not a play makeup. So they said caution for adult use only, discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash occurs. All right, so guys, it sold for $26, but it's a $36 value, $36 value, but it sold for $26. So I bought this for $26. They have another package which I will insert the picture. I chose not to buy that particular palette because I have some palette that has those colors already, so I ain't about to waste any money, and I'm not about to waste buying what I already own such color in my collection. So I went ahead and bought this, and for the fact that I love purple, I was like, yes, yes, they are right. Purple represents reality, like just like blue. So I kind of love purple a lot, and pink and blues. So yes, guys. without wasting much of your time, please, I haven't said this, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's apply caramel and berries. All right, let's see what we can do with those bad girls, bad boys, whichever one you want to call it. So I'm going to be starting with berries. You all have seen berries before in my swatches, I mean in the unboxing. So I'll still go ahead. You see how OCD I am. I already unboxed, but I still went ahead and put it back in here. That is me. I will clean it, then I'll put them back. That's how I do. So I'm starting with let me start with caramel, because berry is what I want to have at the end of this video, because I'm going to be moving on to something else. So let me start with caramel. So let's see what caramel look like. All right, guys, so this is how it looks. You all have seen it when I unbox it. Don't let me prolong the matter. I love the packaging with the gold and the purple, and it's so cool the way they did the design. I just love it. It's beautiful. So I'm applying this without lip pencil, and let's see how that goes. So before I apply caramel, I'm going to go ahead and clean my lips so that it doesn't interfere with what I have there before, doesn't interfere with what I'm about to put on. All right, so nothing there now, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply caramel. I can smell it already. Like, guys, it smells like caramel, you know, caramel flavor. Like if you take like coffee in caramel, or you know, whatever flavor, you know, it just smells, it smells so sweet. Yes, that's the word, sweet. And this is how so caramel to me, for women of color, I don't know how it's gonna look on any other skin tone. I feel like it's neutral. It's just like I apply, you know, it's lip balm they call it though. It's lip balm they call it. So it does hydrate. It smells so sweet. It smells so refreshing. I'm not gonna lie. I love the way the scent that is coming from it. But it doesn't really have that color. Doesn't give me any color on my lips, you all can tell. But it's good. It feels so moisturizing. Yes, and it smells so good. Yeah, don't let me overflog it, right? It's just amazing. I love it. I love it. Even though it does not give me any color on my lips, you all can see it, I still love it. Yes, for the scents and for the packaging, yes, yes, guys. See, look at the bottom of, see that place. I don't know if you all can see it. It's beautiful. So I'll go ahead and clean it. Go ahead and apply berries, and let's see, they have the name under it as well, and on the box too. So I'll go ahead and apply. Let's see, this is how berry is looking like. Let's see if berry is going to give me color. Of course, they are lip balm, they are not lipsticks. So okay, all right. This smells like berries too. It moisturizes just like the other one. It doesn't really have any color. Like the colors are not popping. They are lip balm with tint of color. That's what they are, and they smell so refreshing. I like it. Berries gave me a little bit of, you know, a little hint of color, just a little, not that a lot. They are lip balm, so I'm not disappointed at all. Will I recommend this? Yes. Will I recommend the eyeshadow palette? Yes. Among the eyeshadow palettes, there is only one that I am not really, you know, not really when I was applying, that I'm not really a fan of it. The rest of them, they really pop, but this particular one right here in the middle, right here, that particular one, I don't know why, it's just not, it's not it. That's one, but it's a good buy. I mean, you have 6 in it, and one is that's the only one that I kind of feel like you have to apply it multiple times before you can actually see the pigmentation, which is this one in the middle right here. Usually they normally have names at the back for each one, but this case, no, you just said a sleek and beautiful hand-picked color to make you look like reality, and that is it. So this particular one right here in the middle, at the bottom of the three in the middle, that's the one I'm not really like, I don't really fancy, because you have to apply it multiple times before you can actually see the pigmentation. Aside from that, this is good. Packaging, bam. Size, travel friendly, bam. All right, and the colors are pigmented. Okay, the glitter that I used, it was not falling like the other one that I talked about. It's pressed, it's not bad. Of course, I use a glitter glue, so that but when I pick it from the palette, it was not like dropping. Okay, so it's good. So will I recommend this holiday collection? Yes, if you can lay your hands on it, just get it. It's worth it. For $26, it's $36 value, but you're buying for $26, so it's worth it. The package is beautiful. It's a very good gift idea that you can give somebody if you want to give one of your friends that loves makeup something. All right guys, and guys, this concluded this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.